Hello everyone, this video is going to demonstrate a little issue that I have using Payara and the microprofile-config API. So first of all, we are going to use Payara Server 5 full with version 5194. That is the latest that you can download on the Payara Server website today. So this is a very simple microprofile application. As you can see, the only dependency here is the microprofile on version 3.2. We have our application class that is almost empty, a microprofile-config.properties file that only have this key that says local file, and a rule controller that only has one web service exposed that returns a string, and our string that came from the microprofile-config property file. And we are going to override that using environment variable. So first of all, we are going to build a var for this. So write var, and now we have a var. Now we are going to deploy this. So as admin deploy, and then the Payara admin port that for default is 4848. Force is going to be true. The context root is going to be the root, and the file is located at this directory. root.var. So we are going to deploy this. The command deploy is executed successfully, so we can come here, reload this, and as you can see, the property is being read from the local file. So now we are going to create a new environment variable. So export dummy, that is the name of the variable. As you can see, is not set yet. So export dummy, and it's going to have the value of environment variable. So now the variable exists. At this point, I know that my application has been loaded and all the microprofile config API has been read all from the local file, so nothing is going to change. But I expect that if I change something in my application, so I'm going to change this string. So build a new var, value var. Now this is a new version of my application. We're going to deploy it again. I expect that a new version of the application will read my environment variable, but if I read out here, as you can see, the string changed, but the environment variable is not being read. So what I need to do is stop the domain, stop domain. So we wait for this first stop. Now it is stopped. You can see not loading anymore. So we are going to start it again as admin, start domain. So we need to be a little bit patient. Okay, it's starting. So after a full restart, we're going to reload this, and now it's reading from my environment variable. So if I redeploy a new version of my application, the config properties are not being read again. So maybe has been cached or something like that. So I need to do a full restart of my server to refresh all the environment variables for the microprofile config API.